Hello everyone and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very easy Indian stir-fry recipe with okra. This recipe is mainly for those who are new to cooking and for those who have started cooking after a lapse. This is an easy recipe with few ingredients and you will be able to cook this dish very quickly. You can now see how easy it is. All I'm going to do is put all the ingredients into the okra or lady's finger. The first ingredient is one big onion that I have cut into slices. That has gone in. Next to go in is half a teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by 3/4 tablespoon chilli powder and salt to taste. I'm going to wet my hand now and mix all these ingredients together. Here we go. Let's give the okra a good rub down. I have a frying pan on low heat with 1.5 tablespoons of oil in it. I'm now adding 2 stalks of curry leaves into the oil. Let's saute the curry leaves now. The okra with the rest of the ingredients are going into the pan now. Frying the okra now on a low fire. Now let's cover and leave the okra to cook for 2 minutes. The okra has been frying for 2 minutes. Now let's sprinkle some water over the okra to allow it to cook easily. Now that's done, we'll cover the pan and leave the okra to cook some more. Let's now check to see if the okra is cooked. It needs a bit more cooking. Let's now cover the pan and leave the okra to cook. Now adding a 1/4 teaspoon of a dry mango powder called amchur powder. This will give the okra some tanginess. The okra is done. Let's turn the stove off. Indian style okra stir fry. This recipe is specially for beginner cooks and for those who have returned to cooking after a lapse. Please don't get intimidated by cooking. Just follow simple recipes in the beginning and you will soon be able to cook fantabulous dishes. Enjoy, my friends. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, selamat berpuasa. Stay safe. Bye.